time! Hi kids! Today we're going to visit our farm. Here you will meet all the animals that live here. Are you excited? Let's go! What animal is this? Is it a sheep?
No.
Is it a fish?
No.
Is it a dog?
No.
Is it a chicken?
Yes.
Chickens are the most fun of all the farm animals. They start as cute little chicks. And then they become our feathery friends. Look at those baby chicks with their mama. Don't they look so cute? My favorite thing about chickens are that they give us eggs. Lots and lots of eggs. What animal is this? Is it a chicken?
No.
Is it a goat?
No.
Is it a cow?
Yes.
Cows are one of my favorite farm animals. They love to eat grass. Cows are amazing because they give us our favorite drink, milk. Do you like milk? I like milk. What animal is this? Is it a pig?
No.
Is it a dog?
No.
Is it a cow?
No.
Is it a goat?
Yes.
Goats are animals we usually see in a farm. Like cows, goats love eating grass. They eat lots of grass to make them healthy. Goats also love to play and make friends. Look at these two goats playing. They look so cute. What animal is this? Is it a cat?
No.
Is it a goat?
No.
Is it a dog?
Yes.
Dogs are our best friends. They help us in our homes and in the farm. They keep us safe and make us feel happy. They also watch over other animals, like sheep and goats. This is why I love dogs.